Why is my face looking like this?
Why is your face looking like that? What kind of a question is that to ask us?
I mean, what is this?
No.
Sanaya. Sanaya.
Kya?
I'm asking Sanaya ki nahi.
Oh God, Varun yaar.
Do it without pulling your tongue out.
एक minute. Okay,
We have
Yes.
no idea.
but my face is still looking bright.
बेटा मेकअप नहीं करना चाहिए था ना इतना.
चलो, बाल ठीक, कपड़े
सब
ठीक.
Okay.
इंटरव्यू करें.
हाँ.
अच्छा करो. चलो.
Okay. I'll pick it.
एक मिनट मैं चेक करूं मेरे दांत में कुछ है.
कर ले तू आराम से कर ले सब कुछ कर ले.
चलो, रेडी.
हमारे पास कुछ और नहीं है करने के लिए लाइफ में.
अभी गोभी के पराठे खाए यार वरुण.
क्या खाया?
अभी गोभी के पराठे. Okay, let's go.
Hi guys, this is Ankita. You're tuned into peepingmoon.com and today we are celebrating 10 years of Lad Governor and Sanka Devi because my fans have particularly told me that, listen, it's not Sarun or it's Arshi. Lad Governor and Sanka Devi are supposed to be questioned here. So to make things easier for any and everyone out here, we are going to have only and the only questions sent by fans. So welcome Varun and welcome Sanaya.
No, great.
Thank you. We are happy to be here, and it's a really cool thing that you're like putting all fan questions out there. That's nice.
खुश हो जाएंगे सब लोग.
खुश तो हो जाएंगे, but one question at least I can ask. 10 years, a decade gone by, and still everyone hails it one of the best love stories on TV. Whenever we talk about it, whenever we discuss characters, Khushi and Arnab Singh Raizada, there is no comparison particularly. I haven't found anyone. Your fans had a battle with me. You have to say they are the best. So you need to tell me, 10 years down the line today when you sit here, how does it feel? The success and the love has been humongous from all aspects.
Yeah, actually, people used to ask us this question when the show was running, and we actually had no idea what. So it's a very relevant question now, actually, and I think it put the both of us on the map. At least me, Sanaya to pehle bhi she'd done stuff that was popular. This was the show that put me on the map. In fact, what I think it does is also when something like this happens, an enormous growth spurt happens within your own self, and that's much more important. I got the confidence that I will be able to do it. What was it? Shayad I can carry on trying to make a career in this field. So that was a huge deal, and I'll be eternally grateful for the show.
Sanaya.
Like Varun said, very, very grateful. 10 years down the line. 10 years down the line, people still love us as much as they did 10 years back. I definitely do want to give a big shout out to the makers of the show, to the writers, the story. This show did what it did because of them. We played a small part in it and in putting the whole thing together, and feel very grateful that we've got so much recognition from the show. 10 years of so much love from all our fans, and I have today friends like family because of this show. So I couldn't be more grateful for being a part of this show.
Okay. All right. So without wasting any time, we are having two segments. One are the questions which in general fans, I apologize beforehand. They were the most asked questions. So I cannot take each and everyone's name. These are the most asked questions. I'll throw them. Any one of you can answer. And in the second segment, yes, we have picked 10 fan names with their questions. So please don't kill me, anyone. Yeah. I'm like apologizing beforehand.
Guys, please be kind to her, okay? She's doing the best she can. If someone's name isn't out there or question isn't out there, please be kind.
Yeah, Pata. How do we know she's doing the best? It's a complaint.
Varun is going to make me lose my job by tomorrow. I know that for sure.
I'm kidding here. No one's going to say anything to you. Bhai log nahi karne ka aisa.
Okay.
All right. So I'll put out the question. Any one of you can answer. Together you can answer. Cool. All right. The most asked question on the list has been, how do Sarun feel that their iconic show completed 10 years? So many fans watch it again and again. But do they watch it together? Have they ever watched the show together?
No.
Hmm.
No, we've never watched it together. No.
हाँ यार वी आर वेन बस ऐसा मतलब नेक्स्ट लेवल वैनिटी भी नहीं कि आपको बैठ के देखते हैं आज.
Yeah.
No, we haven't.
Do Saran agree that they are the OG SRK and Kajal of TV?
OG क्या होता है?
Original Shah Rukh Khan and Kajal from DDL
Oh.
of TV.
Original Shahrukh Khan and Kajol.
The original
Yeah.
कैसे हुआ भाई?
It's an oxymoron.
See, I'm just reading the questions. I'm not filtering out anything today.
We are
No,
the
we are the
first copies.
Arnab and Khushi of TV. We are the Barun and Sanaya of TV. And I have actually said this many times before that I really felt like our show was like a DDLJ, you know, like because it went on and like we've received so much love. It's been all over like every country. It's still going on. People are still watching it. So I do feel like our show is like the DDLJ of shows. But no, I don't feel like we are like Shah Rukh and Kajol. No.
All right. You both have to tell your favorite memory from Ispar Ko Kya Naam Do shoot days. Any favorite memory each.
Oh, so this is going to be truckload.
Burji.
OG
Burji Pao.
क्या?
जो हम भुर्जी पाव खाते थे वरुण.
Burji Pav. हाँ. I was actually, which we are very cheap people. The only thing that struck my, मतलब मेरे दिमाग में सबसे पहले खाने की बात ये. So, breakfast हम लोग we used to I used
Bread
really used
pakoda.
to do. Because there was around the set there was a lot of crappy food that affects everyone's health very badly, but mine I didn't care much. So I really look forward to the breakfast, and it was a great time. We used to have a ball here.
Yeah.
Not once did we think, I didn't at least, ki, what the hell, I have to go to work. Not once.
It was really fun, yeah. We all used to sit in one room. We used to eat it. We used to literally like just be in one place, all of us together talking rubbish. I think that's why we're still friends. But like it's moments like these that really stick with us, I think.
Okay. Why? This is nice. Can we expect Barun and Sanaya to ever do a web series or a music video together? We are dying to see them. My God, I have got
देखो म्यूजिक वीडियो में अगर डांस होगा मेरे को उम्मीद मत रखो but hopefully
Yeah, I mean, it's not in our hands. It's in the hands of producers and makers and whoever wants to make it. But we'll be happy to do it.
we're practically going to be like new actors with 10-year-old it's going to be, but yeah, hopefully.
Yeah.
Have Barun and Sanaya ever watched the kind of fan content their fans make it for them and share on social media?
Of course.
Together, we've never watched
Picked up.
No, it's just
Together,
individually
Bola.
also. Of course, you can answer.
Yeah, yes, we have. We have.
Together, we should do it together sometime.
Barun, this was specifically aimed at you for Sanaya. क्या Sanaya sets पे हमेशा बहुत गिरती थी क्योंकि every time you used to pick up her in your arms?
No. Not at all.
Okay.
That was the demand of the script.
In fact, I fell a few times along more than anybody else. I fell. I remember I fell face first once. I remember very clearly, and because the aura of the character that I was trying to play was so big, it looked so funny. I stayed down there, and I noticed that. Did anyone see or no? I remember.
I don't remember this, but our floor was also very slippery. Do you remember? That hall ka flooring was so slippery. It was crazy. I'm telling you, in my duties, I used to like slide all the time there. It was insane.
Right. Yeah, we used to slide. I remember.
Yeah. कुछ याद नहीं है वरुण तुझे?
नहीं मुझे कुछ.
I'm better than you actually at this.
आपको आपका मेडल मिल जाएगा.
Okay. What do Barun and Sanaya call each other? Does Barun still call Sanaya Tintin, or do they have special names for each other?
I've never called her Tintin.
Of course you have, Barun.
It was saved in my phone. as Tintin. Your name. When do I call you Tintin? मैं तेरे को सुनाया करके बात.
हाँ मतलब हाँ
So
सही.
like if Akshay's name is saved as Little Princess, I don't call him कि Little Princess. आज पता है क्या हुआ? Obviously, but she calls me Bernie. Everyone.
I call him Bunny. Yeah.
Everyone's do that.
We experimented a little bit with her name, but it didn't go down very well. So that's why I'm okay.
Can you please tell fans what exactly did you experiment? अगला question मुझे यही याद रहेगा इसके बाद.
हाँ वो सनी पे बात फिक्स नहीं हो पाई.
नहीं but सनी but आपको सनी बोलती है.
हाँ पर वो तू पहले बुरा मानी है ना उनसे तो इसलिए.
हाँ मतलब ठीक है.
We were confused सनी के साथ कि कौन से relevant मतलब कहाँ पे fit हो वो.
So what does everyone call me? Sanaya? I feel like I don't hear Sanaya.
Sun ज़्यादातर सनी बोलते हैं सब लोग.
Yeah. Okay, we also don't know.
Okay.
Next time we'll be looking. क्या बोला? क्या? पूछ लेते हैं वो लोग.
Had this प्यार को क्या नाम दूं hadn't happened, how different you think your life would have been today? Very
I
common
didn't get
question.
it. Had it not happened.
Yeah, had it not happened, how different it would have been today for you both?
मैं तो struggle कर रहा हूँ अभी तक. Guarantee. Yeah, either I would have left or I would have been struggling.
But that's not true, Varun. Maybe you would have got a film and you could have been a superstar. How do you know?
नहीं ऐसे ख्याली पुलाव नहीं मैं बनाता बैठ के. Well, the point is that how I understand the question is the relevance of this show was extremely it was really high in my career because, as I said, it put us on the map. That was the first show anyone cared about, in the country that I was a part of.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to answer this because I'm not thinking of it that way. I'm like anything could have happened. I could have like just been struggling, like he said, or something even more amazing could have come my way. Like who knows, right? We'll have to figure out what happened in the parallel universe. That's
but if someone wants to ask me, what I mean to say is, if someone asks me how you want it done, I would do it the exact same way. और मैं कोई बड़ा हीरो बनने के लिए नहीं बोल रहा. मैं had a fabulous time doing the show, the post life for that and everything.
There's this question divided in two parts, and it has been a question of debate. Barun, do you regret leaving Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do when it was at its height? And Sanaya, were you unhappy when the season again came on TV and you were not opposite Barun? Because fans certainly were unhappy.
Go Barun, you go first.
मैं तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं भाई. मैं तो as I said, I would do the exams. I did the first time.
Yeah, and no, I mean, no. Honestly, no. Like, I don't even think that was going to be. Remember, Barun, that show was not even going to be Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do. It was going to be something else.
Actually, the important thing is that it was not meant to be Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do.
Right.
The third part. It was a totally different show. And I don't remember the name actually. It was a totally different show, totally different setup and everything. But I mean, I'm sure everyone thought कि let's capitalize on the success of the first show, which was a terrible idea, I feel. But so that's how the name changed. So that was never the scenario.
Yeah, and I guess there's no point regretting anything in life, right? I mean, what's the point?
Agreed.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think anybody would have.
So that was the first part. That was the first part of our first 10 questions. Next are the one with the names. Apologies again to the universe, whoever is missed. I have tried my best. Okay. Madhu has a question. One rom-com movie you think these two would have been well suited in?
Oh God. हाँ हमने बताना है.
मतलब आपको अगर अपने आप को कास्ट करना हो किसी rom-com मूवी में तो आप दोनों के ऊपर कौन सी मूवी बेस्ट फिट होती एज पर मधु?
कुछ लड़ाई झगड़े वाला ही होता हमारा तो.
Varun, don't think of a real life, like just otherwise.
As actors, you mean?
Yes, as actors. I don't know, yeah. This is tough.
I can't remember romantic movies.
Yeah, I think Hum Tum is very fit for you too. You can just fight off with each other and be together towards the end. It works.
Yeah. We could do a hum tum.
Sure.
Yeah, we could do a hum tum.
I haven't seen the film, but okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we could.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sanaya has validated, guys, so we'll go with it.
Yeah.
Okay. This is by Tuhina. There have been a lot of popular shows like Kabul Hai, Jamai Raja, who have had the revamped versions on web. If Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do gets a revamped story, but with the same cast, do you think that you people will like to be part of it?
Why not?
Of course. I mean, it depends on the story. I mean, if the story appeals to us, for sure. Except for the story, there'll be no other reason why we would not want to do it. So,
Nice.
Varun, you
Varun-
seem like you.
No, I already said in your show.
Varun said it. Opening mein bilkul clear. I am very much happy in that particular part. This is a question by Alpana. It says, Varun and Sanaya, is this a reason that you preferably do not come together with each other on screen? Because there are very few pairs who end up becoming such good friends after their first show, and romancing each other again might be very funny for you.
Definitely will be funny, but
It will be very funny. But that's not the reason that we aren't.
क्या लगता है लोगों को मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि मतलब हम अपनी स्क्रीन लाइव प्लान करते रहते हैं पूरे टाइम बैठ के ये क्या हो रहा है
यार वरुण 500-600 क्वेश्चंस के बाद तो मुझे भी डाउट होना शुरू हो गया कि लोग अभी भी मतलब अर्नव और खुशी से बाहर नहीं आ पा रहे हैं.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं हमने प्लान नहीं किया था ऐसा मौका ही नहीं मिला कुछ करने का.
Okay, I can't pronounce this name. This is someone, a fan from Turkey. I'm sorry, but the question is nice. The question says that
Spelling बोल दो.
what do you? It's called BCS. Okay, this is tricky. This is tricky name. I'm sorry. I think it's one of the hashtags which people use, like the @ names. It's one of those. The question is, however, nice. What exactly do you think was the reason that Varun Sobti and Sanaya Irani could tick off a good, loving chemistry on screen, despite we all know that they are good friends? What is their 101 secret to the crackling chemistry?
Acting.
Yeah, I guess.
मतलब
And honestly, I feel like Varun and me became better friends post the show. Like we were good friends during the show, but ऐसे जैसे आज हम हैं, we were not like that during the show, and I think it just has to do with acting. Honestly, it was nothing else. We were just acting.
Also, it's a lot of things that isn't how we comprehended the written material. Were we on the exact same page? What were we thinking? A lot of that, but it all has to get to do with the being good at what you do, the job, right?
You know, there has been a common compliment, not question, which came in a lot of DMs was one of the nicest things about Is Pyar Ko was we do see romance on TV, but your romance was something very very fresh and nice in a manner that they was not necessarily holding hands and you have to be hugging each other or kissing. You used to look into each other's eyes and we used to be lost. I'm like, oh my God, this is tough analogy people have.
That gave us headaches. Multiple headaches through the day. याद है Varun?
ऐसा था कि मैं squint develop कर लूँगा.
We used to literally at times be like, okay, बस 1 minute यार, ऐसे चक्कर आते थे इतना. We used to just stare at each other. It was crazy. I wish we held hands and did other stuff that would like lessen the headache.
Would have been happier.
आंखों ही आंखों में सब कुछ. Swati has a question. How difficult, easy, or what is your emotion you associate with your crazy fandom? Because we all know, and you should be knowing that we really love you a lot both.
There's nothing difficult about that. It's extremely endearing and easy. So of course, I'd rather have it instead than not having it.
It's heartwarming. It really is. Extremely grateful for having such wonderful people around, all around the world who love you so much. So yeah.
There has been a lot of love from Nepal and Turkey in general. Just people have sent you hearts and loves and kisses. So
Thank you.
hi to all the friends there. There is a question from Shrey. How do you feel when you hear the Rabba Way tone in the backdrop? Because for us, it reminds only of you two.
We never hear it.
मेरे घर पे मैंने लगवाया है सराउंड साउंड. जब भी मेरी वाइफ निकल रही होती है और मैं टच करता था काइंड ऑफ स्टफ, यू नो. आई फील वेरी गुड.
Sorry. Oh, God. Do you have an idea how I filtered them? You have zero idea the kind of questions I can't even ask.
No, that's okay.
They have been asked cute
I don't
questions. They have been asked cute questions I genuinely don't know. It's like somebody has written a paragraph like there was this scene. You should ask them when Barun नहा रहा था और पानी खत्म हो जाता है.
Oh yeah, I remember.
I
that. Take him out.
I
And
remember that.
Sanaya kidnap हो जाती है तो वरुण को कितना दुख होता है ना. I was wondering they'll kill me if I
मैं
asked
कब
them.
किडनैप हुई है? कब किडनैप हुई है?
तू किडनैप हुआ था.
हाँ, अर्नब किडनैप हुआ.
I don't know. Trust me, as I said, like there are so big analogies and letters.
Basically, ये लड़का सिर्फ फिल्म शूटिंग कर रहा था. हमने दिखाया किडनैप.
किडनैप हो गए. मैंने तो एक दो बार चिट्ठी भी मारी थी सबको पागल बना के. ना फिल्म के शूट पे गया ना शो के शूट पे.
Okay, these are the last 3 quick ones because I have put them in quick. They are very chotu, so I'm asking who used to take more time to get ready. Looks like Arnav.
No way. Varun, I don't think ever got ready.
I'll tell you one thing. I'll draw you an analogy. If you conduct a competition in the whole world on who gets ready the fastest, I'll be the winner of it.
Varun. Yeah, I mean, I don't think he ever.
I've seen people shocked. I've seen jaws drop so many times. I enter the set, the premise, and I'm ready like that. People like, "Tum ready bhi ho?"
He just wears his clothes and sweats a lot. That's it.
So now what he's trying to say is that मैं हम good looking लड़के हैं कपड़े पहनने बस ऐसे आ जाने जरूरत है नहीं touch up नहीं है ना.
Good, you comprehending it like that. But my thing is that I'm not interested in how I look, to be honest with you. I'm much rather invest in what I'm going to do.
Yeah, he's so disinterested in how he looks that I remember there was a time my DOP was like very upset with him because he would just like not put even the slightest of makeup, and he was like, there were times like the AC used to not work on our set, and he's like sweating profusely, and our DOP is like, "Kuch to kar yaar, Varun, kuch to kar," and he's like,
So you get upset.
Yeah, he used to be like, ready, sir, ready. You just like wipe his sweat and stand over there.
Who usually used to be late on set almost every day?
Akshay?
I don't think anybody actually was late on
Both
our
of us
set,
were
right?
always on time, actually.
Yeah.
Always. And in fact, the whole unit was always on time. Even Akshay, my good friend.
We never waited for actors or anything. Like, it
That's
wasn't
not
like
me.
anybody was waiting for anybody to come. Never.
Was Sanaya secretly in awe of Mami Ji?
In awe of Mami Ji.
Yeah, this is the question. I am not making it up.
Secretly, yeah. She's professed her love in the open.
No, I mean, I do think Utkarsha Ji did a fab job with her role and she's a fabulous actor. But no, like I was not in awe with Mami Ji. So no.
Okay. Have you two ever fought in real life or by any chance on sets?
नहीं, क्या बात कर रहे हो? हम तो मिलते तो गाने वाने चलने लग जाते हैं बैकग्राउंड में, चॉकलेट आ जाती है हमारे मुंह में. लड़ाई नहीं करते. हाँ, लड़ते हैं.
आप दोनों को देख के तो बनी थी ना.
क्या?
मोहब्बत आप दोनों के लिए तो बनी थी. पत्ते उड़ते हैं. अब आप.
We fight like everyone does it.
Yeah, we fight. We fought on set. We fight in this life. I'm saying in this everything. We fight.
This life, मतलब life में लगता है.
मतलब I mean ये जो हमारी current life चल रही है ये.
Varun, this is the last for you and this is next level. What if I slide into your DMs? Varun, this part is for you. What if I slide into what if I slide into your DMs? That's your Instagram messaging.
Right.
What if I slide into your DMs? Is there a chance that you will follow me back and I will be forever in touch with you? Oh my God, this person has texted me 100 times to ask you, do you check your DMs?
क्या बोलूं?
You will be in touch with his wife.
I do sometimes.
Oh, Varun, this is the wife. This is the wife. She thinks she'll divorce the husband if you will not reply to the DM. This is the same wife.
Wife?
This is this woman, apparently this fan of yours who's married, who says if Varun will not reply to my DMs, I will divorce my husband. And she's based out of India. And the email she sent me was nothing but
No.
So
If
cute.
I do reply or if I don't?
If you don't reply, like she's like,
आप भेजो DM. I will save your family. I'll accept if I come across it.
the other one I'm not going to ask only. That was the like, why did you get married is a very common question. I'm sorry, I'm not asking you.
Oh.
They prefer you to be
Insulting भी
Sanaya, this one's for you. The part 2 with it will come. We know that you and Mohit are very happy together, but can I still propose you?
कर दो देखते हैं क्या होता
No, I'm sorry.
चलो मैं बता दूंगा लड़ाई होगी जब तब कर देना
But thank you guys. And sorry, fans, I tried my best, whatever I could get from here. I have asked, but before you guys leave, I first want you to say thank you to all those people we couldn't take the questions from because there were so many. It was very tough to filter it down to this.
Thanks to all the people who did send in the questions, even the ones that were read out. I mean, we might be joking with it, but I've said this time and again, if I had to give this kind of love to something, maybe I wouldn't have been able to do it. So you people are absolutely special and nice for having done whatever you've done for the show and for us. So thanks.
True. Thank you. I mean, like, honestly, I feel the same thing as
Original बोल दे यार कुछ
चुप है क्या? Thank you again. Very, very grateful. It's very heartwarming with the kind of love that you all have given us in the last 10 years. And thank you to each one of you who sent your questions across. And don't blame her for not being able to put all of them out there. But I'm sure that over the next 10 years, we would have answered everybody's questions.
But I hope for the next 10 years we have... Thank you. But I hope for the next 10 years we have another cult show to follow. I would be happy to celebrate the next decade with another cult show from you.
मतलब क्या चाहते हैं लोग क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि हम बूढ़े हो जाएं मतलब गिर विर रहे हो हमारे दांत वांत तो हम इंटरव्यू इसी के बारे में कर रहे हैं शो में
We are going to do the Friends reunion, like.
Oh yes. Varun and Sanaya, but on a serious note, you guys have no idea. Of course, we got you too, but there was this. Everyone genuinely wanted your entire cast to be together. The kind of love, it was overwhelming. I thought that okay, I'll get some questions, but it's really heartwarming. There are people sending me texts. I was 9 years old when I started watching the show, and I've watched it 5 times over since then.
You're just now rubbing it in. You're not that old, okay?
Yeah, I mean, let's not get age, okay?
Okay, fine. I'm sorry. Before these two actually kicked me out, I'll only say bye.
Like, no age, please.
But thank you, both of you, for taking out time. Thank you for doing this, and thank you for the love, because I'll also be one of those few people who actually watched the first season twice. I'm impressed.
Varun, I'm just going to clarify that when we did the first season, Varun was 15 years old and I was 16. So
I can tell you today, Varun, now on camera, when I came to Mumbai for one of the interviews, it was for your films. I met you for Tu Hi Mera Sandesh in press conference. Yeah, and I remember you were like, "Come, let's have a picture," and I'm like, "I can't." And I can't. I'm like, I just really like him so much. And my the comment was like, "It's okay, he's real. वो serial खत्म हो गया है, वो ऐसा ही है. This is real."
Wow.
So you were one of my first friends. This was I remember Every Media's office. I remember you were doing some of the interviews there, and it was a quick interview, very last minute kind of thing. And it was one of my the very first interactions of mine on Quiz, and I'm like, oh my god! And I send my mother. And the best answer she gave me was, तेरी scrapbook में लगा देती हूँ, वैसे उसकी इतनी photos रखी हैं, ये भी लगा ले उसमें.
Oh, I had no idea. We spoken a lot of times after that.
Yeah, but I never told you this. You were like, what crazy person I'm dealing with.
Yeah. बचपन में सबने किया ये.
अब मैं कह सकती हूँ मैंने बचपन में करा है, मैं बोल सकती हूँ. Not revealing my age also, sorry. But thank you so much for making this happen. And as soon as it's out, be ready. Varun, you have to answer.
लॉकडाउन है वैसे हम भी कुछ ज्यादा कर नहीं रहे लॉकडाउन में.
Oh yeah, I was told to give you this common message, Sanan and Varun, that if possible, whenever it is, you guys please definitely together do an Instagram live with your fans. That's it. They just
I'll tell you one thing. We'll do it in 20 minutes.
done. I am leaving. You guys get ready and do the live. But thank you for the laugh.
Instagram live right now is what I meant.
No, guys, they will do soon, but let them plan. कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा. But thank you, Sanaya. Thank you for the time. Thank you, Varun.
Thank
Thank you for the memories.
Thank you.
It was really fun. Thank you so much.
Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
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 Bye.